Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: turmeric water at night benefits. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits. And when consumed at night, it can have some remarkable advantages. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the benefits of drinking turmeric water at night, let's briefly introduce turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, and it's renowned for its active compound called curcumin. Now, let's explore the benefits of consuming turmeric water at night. Number 1. Improved sleep. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has properties that can help improve sleep quality. It acts as a natural relaxant, soothing both the mind and body. This relaxation effect can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with falling asleep or suffer from insomnia. By drinking turmeric water before bedtime, you may find it easier to unwind, reduce anxiety, and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. Number 2. Digestive health. Turmeric can stimulate the production of bile, a crucial component in the digestion process. This enhanced bile production aids in breaking down fats and supports the overall digestive system. If you often experience digestive discomfort or issues such as bloating, indigestion, or constipation, turmeric water can help promote smoother digestion and alleviate these problems. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the body is linked to a range of chronic conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Consuming turmeric water at night may help reduce inflammation levels, providing relief to individuals with inflammatory conditions. Regular consumption can lead to long-term benefits for joint health and overall well-being. Number 4. Detoxification. Turmeric is a natural detoxifier that supports the body's detoxification processes. It aids in cleansing the liver, which plays a central role in detoxifying the body. By drinking turmeric water at night, you can facilitate the removal of toxins and waste products from your system, promoting a healthier internal environment. Number 5. Immune support. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. These antioxidants strengthen the immune system, making it more effective at defending against infections and illnesses. Consistent consumption of turmeric water can contribute to a robust immune system, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of common illnesses. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how to prepare turmeric water. Step 1. Ingredients. You'll need a glass of warm water, a teaspoon of turmeric powder or grated fresh turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, honey or lemon for flavor, optional. Step 2. Preparation. Simply mix the turmeric and black pepper into the warm water. Stir well until it's well blended. You can add honey or lemon for taste, if desired. Now let's discuss when is the best time to consume turmeric water. The optimal time is before bedtime. This allows your body to reap the benefits overnight, supporting your sleep and overall health. Before we conclude, it's important to note a few precautions. If you're allergic to turmeric or any of the ingredients, please avoid it. If you're on medication, especially blood thinners or diabetes medication, consult with your healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your routine. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.